String literals in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. What is the meaning of string literals in Python programming language? Okay, in Python, a string literal is a sequence of Unicode characters surrounded by quotes, either single quotes or double quotes. Single quotes or double quotes for single line string and triple quotes for multi-line string. Also, what is the meaning of character literals in Python? Simply, a character literal is a single character surrounded by single quotes or double quotes. Let's take a simple example to show how to use string literals in Python programming language. In this program, Python is fun is a string literal, and I is a character literal. Also after that we have a multi-line string literal. And after that we have a string as a Unicode literal which supports characters other than English. And also in this case, \u00dc represents the letter U with 2 dots. And also \u00f6 represents O with 2 dots. And the last one is a row string literal. A Python row string is a normal string prefixed with the letter R. This treats characters such as \, as a literal character. This also means that this character will not be treated as an escape character. As you can see here in this example, \n is printed as it is. That's it. That's all for this lesson. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.